In this video, you'll see how to make Google Sheets automatically adjust row height so every row fits its contents neatly. This spreadsheet has one row that's much taller than the rest, which makes the table look uneven and harder to read. Instead of dragging the row border by hand and guessing the right size, you can let the sheet measure the content for you. If you find tips like this helpful, give the video a quick like. Start by clicking the row number on the far left to select the row that's too tall. Then drag down across the row numbers to include the neighboring rows, so they all end up with a consistent height. Selecting a range matters here because the resize applies to every highlighted row at once, not just the one you clicked first. With the rows highlighted, right-click any of the selected row numbers to open the row menu. That menu holds everything you can do to whole rows, like inserting new ones, deleting them, or changing their size. Choose Resize Rows 3, 7 from the list to open the sizing options. A small window pops up with two choices. You can type an exact height in pixels, or let the sheet fit each row to its data. The pixel option is handy when you want a precise, uniform size, but here the goal is automatic sizing based on what's inside the cells. Select the Fit to Data option so the sheet calculates the right height for you. This is the setting that does the automatic part, since it shrinks or grows each row to match its tallest cell content. Hit OK to apply it. The oversized row snaps down to fit its text, and the whole table now has clean, even spacing. So the quick version is, select your rows, right-click, choose Resize, and pick Fit to Data to let Google Sheets handle the height automatically. Hope this tidies up your spreadsheets, and if you'd like more quick sheets tips, subscribe to the channel.